Hello, it's Chris from LifterLMS, and I want to thank you for supporting LifterLMS and being successful with your courses, your memberships. If you're a WordPress professional supporting this industry, thank you for being here. Keeping the recent challenges of the economy, the pandemic in mind, we'd like to extend a hand of support to everyone with two offers this Black Friday season. The first one is the Earth Bundle, which is the most affordable entry point into LifterLMS. It's the easiest, most affordable way to get started creating courses and training-based membership sites. On top of that, we're introducing a 30% discount on all premium add-ons and bundles that LifterLMS offers this Black Friday season. So that's 30% off any add-on or bundle. And if you're watching this and you're an existing LifterLMS customer, we have a pro-rated upgrade that you can take advantage of, which means the current value of your existing license counts as a credit, and then you also get an additional 30% off your upgrade, whether you're looking to get a bigger bundle or perhaps get a 3-year license. So you're going to get up to 50% in savings. It's really the best time of year if you're an existing customer and looking to upgrade. Also, you existing users and customers out there, now is a great opportunity and time to join the LifterLMS affiliate program so that you can earn money promoting LifterLMS. We've got a great opportunity for you there. If you want to get involved with that, just send us an email and we will get you started in that program. But for the new people out there, this is the best time to start. This is the cheapest price. The Black Friday opportunity at LifterLMS goes from October 28th through December 5th. And within that period, you can get the 30% discount. Use the coupon code Black Friday 22. I also want to mention we have a 30-day 100% refund policy. So there's really no risk to you. You can get the software at the best price and also take no risk. If for whatever reason you want to request a refund, you can get 100% of your money back. And in addition to that, we also have a safety-proof, risk-free approach for you to getting started with LifterLMS. In addition to our refund policy, we have all kinds of coaching programs, resources, courses, and support to help you be successful. We have unmatched support and nurturing in how we approach business at LifterLMS. We're not just a software company. We don't put our product at the center of our business. We put you at the center of our business. So we make the product for you, but we also support you through industry-leading email support, coaching, courses, other resources, other kind of content to help you be successful as a course creator, coach, or WordPress professional serving this industry. We've got you covered. One of the things we noticed as an example is that sometimes people were getting involved with the software before they had a plan together. So we've recently released a 5-day challenge to help course creators, coaches come up with a solid 6-figure course or membership site plan in just 5 days, 1 hour a day, so that they can confidently move forward with the software, creating and launching their course or membership site without wasting time or money. That's all included when you become a LifterLMS customer. We've also got something called Office Hours Mastermind and Liftoff sessions. This is something that nobody else in our industry does, where we do live group Zoom calls where you can come and get the strategy support you need, get your technical questions answered. If you need a recommendation for something, another tool or resource, we're here for you for that. It's unmatched in the industry what we do. We believe, we're not just a plugin company. Like I said, you're at the center of our business, and we support you in all these different ways. And supporting you over Zoom and email is just two of the ways that we help you succeed. So just to go a little bit more into the Zoom calls that we do, as that not only is it better, but it's also different in the space because many companies don't do that or refuse to do that kind of thing to support their customers. At LifterLMS, we like to put the human element in the business and not just have a faceless website, especially when it comes to supporting our customers. So these calls happen every week in Zoom. We have the closed mastermind and liftoff group Zoom sessions every single week that you can attend to. We have a community calendar that you can see and find the times and join those calls. Also, if you're looking to add the LifterLMS Office Hours Mastermind to whatever plan you have, you can do that at a 30% discount now during the Black Friday period. So that's an add-on that you can buy if you don't get it, which at the Infinity Bundle where it's included, our highest plan. And I just want to note that, with that's $1,000 add-on, the Office Hours Mastermind. So with a 30% discount provided by Black Friday, that basically works out to $700 a year for support, and basically what you're paying is $15 an hour for consultation for what really is $200 an hour level service from people that know Lifter, know the industry, have seen the patterns of success, and will work to help you get unstuck or chase the opportunity you want or overcome the challenge that's in your way. If you were to hire a consultant or freelancer to help you with that, you'd be spending 4 to 5 to even 10 times as much. So at Lifter, it's all included in the Office Hours Mastermind. We also get asked, do you offer one-on-one office hours and Zoom calls? Not at this moment, but what we found over 6 years is that the group Zoom calls have been very effective, and they also help you get a different perspective when we bring in other people who have questions, and you can watch them. These other people may have input on your situation and your challenge. There's a saying that you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So particularly in the Office Hours Mastermind call, when you're on that call, you're surrounded by people that are, serious about their projects, many of them making 6 figures and beyond with their courses or their training-based membership site. And so you're getting help from the LifterLMS team, but you're also getting help from some of the top case study shining examples in the LifterLMS community. So it's really a benefit that you can't get anywhere else, and it's actually really special and unique in the space. So we highly encourage you to subscribe to the Mastermind program and get qualified advice from real people who have been in the trenches doing what you're doing and save time and money on your projects. So now is the best time to get LifterLMS. The coupon code is Black Friday 22. If you're an existing LifterLMS customer and you want to get prorated, whether you're looking to upgrade to a bigger bundle, get more of what you already have, or upgrade to one of our 3-year plans, just send us an email with the word upgrade in the subject line, and we'll get you set up for your prorated discount. And I'd really want to highlight for you, when you do the 3-year extension, basically you're getting 3 years for the price of 2, and then you're taking 30% off of that. This is the most savings that you can get. And if your project is here to stay, you're serious about it, and you're in it for the long run, I would encourage you to look at the 3-year Infinity or Universe bundle. So this is a limited time offer. You can only take advantage of this Black Friday opportunity. This is our biggest sale and promotion of the year between October 28th and December 5. So if that's you, take action today. Use the coupon code Black Friday 22 at checkout, or send us an email with upgrade in the subject line if you're an existing customer, and we can get you on the path of proration and enjoying incredible more value at LifterLMS. Thanks for checking out this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.